Our story. Discovering the Phoenix. Journey towards the myth of immortality. Hope you like our video. Join us on an adventurous journey as we delve into the captivating myth of the Phoenix, a mystical creature believed to possess the power of immortality. Through an exploration of ancient legends, historical references, and cultural interpretations, we unravel the secrets and symbolism surrounding this legendary bird. Have you ever wondered about the intriguing legend of the Phoenix? Join us as we dive deep into the mysteries surrounding this mythical creature, known for its ability to rise from the ashes. Prepare to be mesmerized as we venture into the heart of the Phoenix's tale. Get ready to witness the transformative power and resilience of the Phoenix as we embark on this mythical quest of discovery. Phoenix. Myth of immortality. Ancient legends. Symbolism. Mythical quest. Let's the journey begins. Welcome to Discovering the Phoenix. Journey towards the myth of immortality. Exploring ancient legends, symbolism, and the quest for immortality. The Phoenix in ancient legends, unraveling the origins and mythical significance. The story of the Phoenix traces back to ancient civilizations, awash with rich mythical tales and ancient wisdom. Archaeological discoveries reveal that the origins of the Phoenix can be found across countless cultures globally. From Egypt's Benben to China's Fenghuang, each culture has a unique interpretation of this legendary bird. In these ancient legends, the Phoenix represents rebirth, renewal, and eternal life. Scholars and enthusiasts alike have devoted their lives to deciphering the secrets hidden within these symbolic tales. Through the pages of history, our journey takes flight, leading us closer to the truth behind the Phoenix. The symbolism of the Phoenix, unveiling the deeper meanings and cultural significance. Narrator. Beyond its mere existence, the Phoenix embodies a profound symbolism that resonates across cultures. Narrator. The festivities and ceremonies held in honor of this mythical creature are a testament to its enduring cultural significance. Its fiery rebirth symbolizes transformation, resilience, and the cyclical nature of life. The Phoenix teaches us that even after devastation, there is always hope for renewal. Through adversity, it reminds us of our own inner strength and ability to rise again. The festivities and ceremonies held in honor of this mythical creature are a testament to its enduring cultural significance. Art, fashion, and even architecture have been deeply influenced by the timeless allure of the Phoenix. Let us now soar higher as we embark on a quest to understand the Phoenix's pursuit of eternal life. The mythical quest for immortality, exploring the intricate trails and legends. Throughout history, humankind's fascination with immortality has inspired endless quests and legends. Among these tales, the phoenix stands as a beacon of hope, as if holding the key to unlocking the secret of eternal life. Alchemists, philosophers, and mystics have sought to understand the essence and transformative powers of the phoenix. Their quest is a metaphor for our own eternal longing, driving us to uncover deeper truths about life and death. Throughout our journey, we'll encounter the wisdom of those who have sought answers through rituals and spiritual practices. The clues lie in the intricate tapestry of these legends, waiting to be deciphered. Together, let us embark on this mystical quest towards the elusive myth of immortality. If you like our video, like, share, subscribe. Join us on the mythical journey towards immortality, uncovering the enigmatic secrets of the phoenix. As our journey comes to an end, we hope to have shed light on the enigmatic nature of the phoenix. From its ancient origins and profound symbolism to the eternal quest for immortality, the story of the phoenix continues to captivate and inspire. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary adventure. May the phoenix's transformative power and resilience ignite the flame within us all.